Hey landlords, welcome back to Be a Better Landlord. As a landlord, one of the biggest questions you'll face is this: should I roll up my sleeves and handle repairs myself, or should I call in the pros? The answer isn't the same for everyone, but there are some pretty amazing tax benefits that you'll gain if you put in enough time. So stick around and we'll cover the pros and cons of doing the work yourself. And by the end of this video, you'll know if doing the repairs yourself is the right move for you. Pro number 1. Save money up front. Calling an electrician or a plumber can get expensive quickly. But if you handle the simple repairs yourself, like fixing a leaky faucet or replacing a light switch, you'll save hundreds of dollars each year. Over time, the savings add up, especially if you own multiple rentals. And let me be clear, make sure you're comfortable handling anything you do with electricity. It's dangerous, but you know that. Moving on. Pro number 2. Faster response times. Tenants appreciate quick fixes. If something breaks, you don't have to wait for a contractor's schedule to clear up. By jumping in yourself, you can often resolve issues that come up in the same day. Not only does that improve tenant satisfaction, but it can help you maintain warranty of habitability. Pro number 3. Gain skills and control. Each repair you make makes you more knowledgeable about your property. You'll quickly learn how things are built, where common problems happen, and how to prevent them. And because you did the work yourself, you'll know it was done right. Pro number 4. Tax benefits. Here's the big one. Your time spent on repairs can count towards qualifying as a real estate professional for tax purposes. What does that mean? Under IRS rules, if you qualify as a real estate professional, you may be able to deduct rental losses against other income. The result? You could save thousands of dollars in tax savings. Not only will your sweat equity save you on repair costs, it will help you qualify for powerful tax benefits. Pro number 5. Build stronger tenant relationships. When tenants see you showing up to fix issues promptly, it builds trust. They'll quickly understand that you care about the problems and the property, and as a result, they're often more respectful in return. Okay, so there are some strong arguments to be made for doing the repairs yourself. However, there are some drawbacks to doing it yourself as well. So before you grab your toolbox, let's look at the downsides. There are a few big ones. Con number 1, time drain. Your time is valuable. Minor repairs often take much longer than you think. Driving to the property, running to Home Depot, troubleshooting when things don't go as planned. If you're managing multiple properties, you probably don't have enough time. Con number 2, lack of experience. Not all repairs are created equal. A miswired outlet, a poorly patched roof, or a DIY plumbing fix gone wrong could cause serious damage to the property and serious harm to your tenant relationship. In the long run, hiring a pro from the start could save you serious time and money. Con number 3, liability risks. If you handle repairs that you're not licensed for, like electrical or gas lines, you could be putting your tenants at risk and opening yourself up to a liability. In some states, certain work requires a licensed professional. Con number 4, stress and burnout. Being a landlord is already stressful enough. Rent collection, vacancy periods, and paperwork are just a few examples. Add in late-night emergency calls, and you're suddenly running a 24/7 repair service. That's a quick way to burn yourself out. Con number 5, slower growth. Here's the big one. The more time you spend fixing toilets, the less time you have to focus on growing your portfolio. Plenty of landlords hit a ceiling because they get stuck in handyman mode rather than business owner mode. So, should you do your own repairs? It really depends on you and your situation. If you do, you could save money, respond to issues faster, gain valuable knowledge, strengthen your tenant relationships, and the big one, massive tax savings. But if you decide not to, it could be because of time commitment, lack of expertise, liability risks, added stress, and the potential to slow down your growth as an investor. No matter what you decide, TurboTenant can help. With our free maintenance capabilities, your tenants can proactively submit maintenance requests, so no small issue snowballs into something bigger and more costly. Plus, you can track the status of each repair request from a centralized dashboard. And our integration with Thumbtack gets you access to a network of over 300,000 trusted pros. Sign up for a free account today and put maintenance in the same place as you collect rent, market your properties, and screen tenants. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.